Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video I'm gonna show how to do a clean install of macOS Sonoma on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. For performing a clean install of macOS Sonoma on Mac, you require macOS Sonoma Bootable USB. To create the USB for yourself, follow the guide from my button. After creating the Bootable USB, boot your Mac to the Startup Manager. For booting your Mac to Startup Manager, for Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until you see the startup option. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, press and hold Option or Alt key during startup. Now, plug the macOS Sonoma Bootable USB and then from the startup options, select Install macOS 14 Beta and click on Continue. Now, if you're greeted with Install macOS Assistant, quit the Install macOS Assistant. Now, select Disk Utility and then erase the main drive instead of volume with the following parameters. Now, if you're prompted with Erase Mac notification, click on Erase Mac and then select Erase Mac and restart. Your Mac will restart and, after that, you'll need to activate it. Now, connect your Mac to the internet using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After your Mac is activated, again boot it to the Startup Manager and then proceed with the macOS Sonoma installer. Now, select your language and click on the right arrow key to proceed. Now follow the on-screen instructions to install macOS Sonoma. Here, select the disk you created and then click on Continue. Keep in mind that, during the installation process, your Mac may restart several times, so don't worry about that. As you can see, macOS Sonoma setup screen is here. Set up your Mac according to your preference. And finally, macOS Sonoma Desktop is here, and as you can see, macOS Sonoma has been successfully installed on Mac. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.